chào, ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. My name is Sin. Today I will show you how to make sweet tea from Asia. And this tea you cannot see yet common here, but you see oolong tea, green tea or jasmine tea, but you didn't see Han Qua tea. This is how I bought at store. Sometimes they make different packets, but you can look for the name. So long I cannot say, but let me try. Try Modica. But the bottom is called Han Qua tea. So this one the taste like a sweet tea from the American sweet tea. So when you open it, you smell sweet. Let me see. Smell sweet. So you will need 10 cups of water, boil, and you put this tea inside. But if you have to check, because if you love a lightly flavor, you just cook one. But if you want stronger, you cook two. So turn on the water when boil. I have to make a hole because I want to put this tea down the bottom of the water, soup inside it. Make a hole and then put the chopstick inside and let the tea go down. Also, I have to hold a little bit because the tea will float up. Hey, I forgot I have the barbecue stick. Easy hold the tea down, but you make two holes. So easy to put in, and here another hole this side, so hold down more better than chopstick. So when the water boil, I will come back. So hey guys, after 30 minutes my tea is done. I put the barbecue stick away. Now you have to use a strainer to drain some tea, because some Han Qua tea broke a biscuit inside. So we just clean it up. It's usually we enjoy tea with some, you know what, moon cake and some kind of sweet like biscuits, cookie, whatever you have. Let me. I make one cup for you, one cup for me. Here, that's it. One more cup. See, have some biscuit. If you see it, just a small amount. Also, I forgot to tell you what you for the teas. I have 3 sets of teacup right here. Look, one my favorite cup, and this one. And this one. Which one you like? Comment below. Now I have to put tea. Look, my tea. And this tea you can drink hot or cold. Beautiful. The flavor amazing. So hopefully you can try someday. Thank you for watching. See you next time.